Okay, so this is a more advanced version of the walking test. So once you've been working with your feet for a while and you're starting to see improvements, let's really check to see even more possibilities in your foot. So if you take your heel and you move to the outside edge of that heel, you're going to bend the knee. And you're going to press the outside of that heel in there. And then I want you to place just the fifth metatarsal in pieces to the ball of the foot and the toe. And then I want you to come backwards. So you're going to bend the knee. I want you to feel the separation in the heel and piecing the fifth metatarsal in pieces to the ball of the foot and the baby toe. Now I want you to press into this part of the ball of foot with the knee tracking over the center of the foot. I want you to lift the heel, press there, and I want you to work backwards to the back heel and lift. Again, bend the knee, take it to the outside edge, feel separation from the heel. Get the fifth metatarsal down in pieces to the baby toe and ball of foot, and press into fifth toe, fourth toe, ball of foot with the knee tracking right over and work it backwards. And now let's take that to the other side. Outside edge, bend the knee, feel separation, get that outside edge of the heel, feel the fifth metatarsal in pieces to the ball of foot and toe. And you're going to press there and then work it backwards. You're going to find the outside heel, press there into that ball of foot and toe and work backwards. One more time, outside heel. Really feel the separation. Place that in pieces right down to the ball of foot on the outside edge. Get weight there. Knee tracks over the center and come back. So that just gives you a little bit more motion with this outside edge and how strong it can be. So it's a great check after you've worked with the foot savers. Thanks.